Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into Adobe Express. This is the tool that's trying to be your single go-to spot for basically any creative project you can think of. Social media, videos, you name it. So let's get into what makes it tick. Okay, you know the drill, right? You've got this awesome idea, maybe for an Instagram post or a quick video, but next thing you know, you're bouncing between, three, four, even five different apps? One for photos, another for video, a whole separate one just for the layout. It's not just complicated, it can get pricey, and honestly, it just kills the creative vibe. Well, that exact headache is what Adobe Express was designed to fix. It's an all-in-one tool from the Adobe family, yup, the same folks who make Photoshop, but it's built from the ground up to be super simple, easy to get into, and, get this, free for anyone to use. The whole mission here is to make great design available to everybody. And hey, this isn't some old piece of software they just slapped a new name on. Adobe launched Express back in 2021. That means it's a modern tool built for how we create content today. It's all about speed, having everything connected, and of course, being powerful. So when we say all-in-one, what does that actually mean? Let's break it down, because Express is so much more than just a graphics tool. It's really like a whole creative suite packed into one single platform. All right, first up, social media. This is really where Express flexes its muscles. It's loaded with thousands of professionally designed templates that are already perfectly sized for Instagram stories, TikToks, YouTube thumbnails, whatever you need. You can whip up flyers, resumes, and you can even schedule your posts right from the app. That alone is a massive time saver. But it doesn't stop there. It also has this surprisingly powerful video editor built right in. You can trim clips, merge them together, resize your videos for different platforms. You can even remove the background from a video with just one click. On top of all that, you get access to a library of stock audio and video to use. Pretty neat. And of course, there's photo editing. This is where you can handle all those quick but essential jobs. That one-click background removal, it works for photos too. You can resize images in a snap, convert file types, like from a PNG to a JPG, or just hit the Auto Enhance button and let it sharpen up the quality for you. Now, here's a feature that might actually surprise you. It's got some serious document and PDF tools. You can literally upload a PDF and start editing the text and images right inside it. You can combine files, convert documents, and even translate them instantly. This pushes it way beyond what you'd expect from a typical design app. Okay, now we get to the really futuristic stuff. Adobe has plugged its powerful generative AI, called Firefly, right into Express. And let me tell you, it is a total game changer for how you create. Look, I know a lot of people worry that AI is here to replace creators, but Adobe's whole philosophy is that it's here to boost your creativity, not replace it. Think of the AI as your creative sidekick. It helps generate ideas and takes care of the boring, tedious stuff, but you're always the one in the driver's seat, guiding the style and making the final calls. So how does this actually work? Let's take the text-to-image feature. It's so simple, you just type a description of what you're picturing, like a golden retriever wearing sunglasses and riding a skateboard. Then you pick a style, maybe photo or art, and you just click Generate. And boom, in seconds, your idea is right there on the screen. And the range of AI tools here is just wild. You've got text effects where you can type a word and tell the AI to make it look like it's made of Swiss cheese or covered in flowers. You can use generative fill to seamlessly add or remove things from your photos. You can even just describe a poster you need, and the AI will generate a whole editable template for you. It's amazing. So with all these incredible features, who is Adobe Express actually for? Well, the answer is pretty much anyone who creates anything. It really doesn't matter if you're a student just learning the ropes of design or a social media creator who needs to churn out high-quality content all the time. Or maybe you're a small business owner trying to create marketing materials without a huge budget. Express is built to make your life easier and your work better. And it's not just for solo creators either. Express has really powerful features for teams. You can set up shared brand kits with all your logos and colors, and you can even create templates where certain parts are locked. That way, the rest of the team can make updates without accidentally messing up the brand's look and feel. It's all about keeping things consistent. So when you step back and look at all of it, the easy access, the powerful tools, the incredible AI, you start to realize that this is way more than just another piece of software. This is a tool that is truly democratizing professional-level design. And that brings us to a really important point. At the end of the day, this is what it's all about. It's about leveling the playing field. It's about giving students, small businesses, and solo creators the power to make stuff that looks just as good as what the big brands are putting out there in our super visual, fast-moving world.
Which really just leaves us with one final thought. When professional-grade design becomes this simple, this accessible, what will you create?